Bro, I'm not playing. Leave me alone.
And we can ride the boogie. And we can ride the boogie. And we can ride the boogie. And we can ride the boogie.
What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. And today I'm going to be doing my hair once again. So, I did this out like about a week and some change ago. So what I'll be doing is taking these out. And I'm going to show you how I do it again, because I'm going to just redo it because it's starting to look a little like nasty at the roots. I'm sorry, my nieces and nephews are here, but yeah, like it's starting to look a little nasty at the roots, and the braids are just looking horrible. So I'm gonna take them out, and I'm gonna blow dry my hair, and then do the style all over again. And that's what I'm gonna be showing you guys and having a little chit chat with y'all. I thought I like how my nails done, because I just like, it's cute. But I was in the process of doing my nails, and then something came up, so I had to like stop. But I'm gonna finish it tomorrow, maybe after I do my hair. But yeah, so we about to get into this video. Somebody's messing with me. So my hair is very short, so I don't have to unbraid so much, which is pretty nice, I guess. But yeah, so this hairstyle lasts, it don't last too long, because like since the parts are so big, the hair starts to look messed up, and like it just started like building up of like gel and stuff, which is pretty gross in my opinion. That's like one of the main reasons why I'm trying to take it out, because the gel build up like once when I keep doing my edges, it's just not it. So I'm gonna take it down, redo it, and like just make it look 10 times better, because this was my first time doing it. So I mean, for my first time, I did very well. Got a lot of compliments on it. So yeah, but I'm gonna just redo it. And yeah, so what am I gonna talk about in this video? Let me tell y'all something. I've been trying to find myself. So like I've been trying to work on myself and work on finding myself and what I want to do in life, because I'm about to be 18 in a couple of months. So and like I've been slacking on schoolwork and all of that, so I've just deleted majority of my social media apps, which is mainly like Instagram, Snapchat, and stuff. The only thing I kept was YouTube, and then TikTok, because I think like if you delete TikTok, I don't think it's like in the app store anymore. I'm not sure, but yeah, so I like deleted some apps off my phone, because I need to figure out what I want to be in life. I need to figure out myself. I feel like I'm gonna focus on social media and all that as a teen, and my life is just gonna flash right before my eyes. So I'm just trying to like stay off of it as much as I can. So I've been off of it since yesterday, and I wouldn't say it's hard, because like I still have like YouTube and stuff. So, and plus like on my social media, I wasn't really texting people, because people don't care for me like that. So it was like, it's not really a difference. And like majority of the people that I would text, if so, have my number. And plus like, yeah, like social media is basically boring for me, because I don't text anyone, I don't call anyone on there. All I do is like look at the Shade Room post and stuff, stay updated on drama, which is like, why? Like my life is really gonna flash right by me, and I'm gonna feel like I've done basically nothing with it. So I'm just trying to like know myself, and instead of watching other people make money and making them money, try and make myself some money. Even though I already have a job and had it for about a year and some change now, like I just need to focus on my life and focus on what I need to do and focus on what I want to be, because life is literally gonna slip right away from me if I don't stay on top of it. Ever since I deleted my social media apps, I feel like being on my phone is like so boring. I gave myself a manicure the other night, and then I was doing my nails this morning. Yeah, like if you guys are texting me on Instagram, or like for the people who know me, or Snapchat and stuff, my fault. I'm not seeing any of that. My friend did text me earlier and was like, I'm sending you memes and you're not like replying to them. But yeah, I deleted my socials for now. I'm gonna do like out of the week, no social media until Friday. You know, I feel like that's really the best thing for me. So I'll be back on social media Friday. It's Tuesday, so I got some days. I want to better myself. I'm tired of being and focusing on other people's life on social media instead of my own, you know, like focusing on drama and the latest tea, which is like so just dumb. I swear, like every time after I take down my braids, my hair be like so shriveled up and like be feeling like so like I don't know, but like once I wash it, it just like comes back to life. I look like a mess. Okay. Also, one other thing I want to talk about is I'm about to start working out, you know, getting slim, getting that summer body, all of that. I have already been eating healthy and eating as healthy as I possibly can. I'm actually on a calorie deficit right now, and that has been going really easy because I feel like it's really not that hard to be on a calorie deficit for real. Well, at least it's not hard for me. Like I want to have a nice summer body. Yeah, like let me just tell y'all some of the things that I have been learning to do ever since I have started this like little health journey, mental health, physical health, and emotional health journey. I'm gonna tell y'all a few things that I have been trying to focus on is like not thinking about what people would think about if I do something. So basically just doing stuff because I want to and not because oh they might think that's cool or oh they might not think that's cool so I'm not going to do it. No, do what you want to do. Don't let nobody opinions influence you to do something or influence you to not do something that you really wanted to do. So that's like my first thing is like stop caring about what people think. I feel like all my life I really cared because I mean growing up in school people judge you a lot, so it's like I feel like you kind of do care about that as a kid, but like now I'm getting older, it's like I'm making my own money, I got my own car. Why do I care about what you think? I'm only 17. Why do I really care about what you think? I bought majority of my clothes in my closet to this day, majority of the shoes in my closet, so it's like why do I really care what you think? My mom stopped paying for my stuff right when I got my job. So it's like, why do I really care what you think if you're not paying my bills, if you're not buying my clothes, if you're not buying nothing that's beneficial to me? Why do I need to care? So that's the second thing is if they wanted to, they will. Oh my gosh, this one hit hard because I feel like I give people the benefit of doubt, and that's not it because like I said, if they wanted to, they will. And this goes for men, women, anyone. If they wanted to, they will. Don't force them. Do not force them. And if they seem like they don't want to talk to you, don't talk to them. Do not talk to them. And once I started thinking about that, I just like, but before I always didn't speak until I was spoken to. But now that really hit me is like I really don't care if I don't speak unless I'm spoken to, because people try to make me feel bad and be like, why you don't talk? Like, cause I really don't like you. So the third thing is I do not chase, I attract. Whatever that's for me will find me. Simple. I do not chase, I attract. I feel like that's one of the things that I always thought was not that like big of a deal. Like, say for instance, if I like the person, I would tell them because you don't want to miss your chance. But it's like at this point, I'm not about to be we do not chase, we attract. We do not chase, we attract. Okay, so basically I'm not talking to you. You have to come up and talk to me, but I'm not talking to you. I'm not like, especially if I like you, I'm not about to say nothing. I'm not about to say nothing. I might give you a little hint here and there, but at the same time, it's like I said, if they wanted to, they will. That goes for dating somebody, trying to talk to somebody, if they want to, they will. Don't do stuff just because your mind is telling you, let me do this, or just because you're bored, because you'll end up regretting it and then you'll be heartbroken. But one thing I do not do is chase people. We are not about to be doing that in 2021, nor for the rest of my life. I'm sorry for all these BDBs, y'all, but we focusing on ourselves with 2021. We want the best versions of ourselves 2021. One thing that I have started like trying to focus on is, so you know how you like to date people, right? And you got standards, and you feel like, basically I'm gonna describe my standards in a guy. Have to have a job. I would like you to have a car, but you don't have to have a car. But have a job though, you know. Be smart. Be a little fit, you know, like don't just be like completely out of shape, because I would like a boy, I would like them to work out with me, you know. So be a little fit, be mentally stable, and really like treat women as queens, you know, like be a great guy, and that's basically it. So all of those things that I listed in a guy that I want, I need to have that in myself. So I have a job, I have a car. I feel like in this moment right now, I'm mentally stable. Gotta be smart. I'm smart. I'm literally smart. What else did I say? Oh, gotta be at least a little fit. I'm a little fit, so that's basically what I'm like trying to do, is like be the version that I want in my future partner, you know, be the version that I want in him, because that's the way you're really going to attract your guy, is be basically that. Like you can't want all these nice things in a guy, but you out here no job, like just bumming it out, you know. Like, no, you can't be doing that, bro. That's really not it. That's totally unfair, because how you gonna want him to want you and you not even that? That don't even make sense. So I finished taking down all the braids, you guys. It literally took like less than probably 29 minutes. But yeah, I hope y'all like that chit chat, because, and tell me what y'all views are on the things that I mentioned, because I feel like that's some really true stuff that everybody should really like think about. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. I had did every other braid except for this one in the front, because I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. Guess what, y'all? I'm finally done. Ooh. Oh my gosh, this crap took forever. and 1,000 years to finish. Oh, it's definitely less braids than the ones from before, but I feel like this one is much neater and much more like even with like the sizes of the braids. Cause like the first one, it was small in the back and then all big in the front, which like no. Putting beads at the end, and this time I'm only gonna do clear beads instead of the white and clear beads because I just want clear ones this time. So I separated all the clear ones from the white ones, and yeah. Okay, so I'm finally done with my hair, you guys. I put the beads at the end, period. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Please give a like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, this hairstyle is like literally easy as heck. I started at 8:35, I believe, and then I ended at like 1:20, 1:22 or something like that. Or it's probably like either 12:45. But yeah, so literally it's super easy, super quick. Don't take that much hair at all neither. So yeah, please give a like, comment, subscribe, and thank y'all for watching. See y'all in my next one. Peace.
And we can ride the